Hello everyone, I am Sahil and you are watching Infotech Programmer. So today we will discuss all major desktop shortcut keys, some basic window shortcut keys that every programmer must know. So let's get started. So first of all, if you want to open your task manager, Control plus Shift plus Escape key. So by using Control plus Shift plus Escape key, you can open this task manager. So now you can see your task manager, how it is opened very efficiently. Now I will close it. Now we will see the next shortcut key. So if you want to refresh your current window, then what you will do? You will press F5, but I am using laptop, so I will press function plus F5 to refresh this, so it is refreshing very normally. Other than that, if you want to view your open apps, so what you will do, you will use Control plus Alt plus Tab to see the open apps. So I am using this Control plus Alt plus Tab, so it is showing me the first tab. Other than that, if I want to see another tab, I will use my arrow keys to shift through these tabs, and I can use my enter key to open any tab. Like I had opened this Chrome tab by using this. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus Alt plus Tab. Now you can also shift between these tabs and you can open another tab, like I have opened this Contra. And now next is Window plus S. We can open our search by using Window plus S. So it is opening again and again because I am using it again and again. Now next is Window plus D. So now let me open something like I am opening a recycle bin. So I am opening a recycle bin where I had recorded some video, I had deleted them. So now I want to watch my desktop. I want to display my desktop. So what can I do? So we will use Window plus D. We had came back by using Window plus D. So this is used to display and hide our desktop. Now let me close it with Alt F4, and now we will see Window plus L. So by using Window plus L, it locks our computer. Window plus M. Now we will use Window plus M. Let me open something first. I will again open my recycle bin. Other than that, I will open my Chrome. Now you can see I will use Window plus M. So what is it doing? It is minimizing all windows. I will again use Window plus M, but nothing will happen because it is only used here to minimize the windows. And now next is Window plus B. Window plus B. So it focuses on our notification area, that is known as this side. Other than that, if we want to launch Contra, so what we will do, we will use Window plus C. So I had used Window plus C to launch the Contra. So by using this shortcut, you can launch the Contra. Now I will close it by Alt F4. Now the new shortcut is Window plus T. It will do cycle through apps in the taskbar. I am clicking it again, so you can see how it is making a cycle of apps. It will go through cycle of apps. And now we will see another shortcut key, that is Window plus H. So I will use Window plus H. So Window plus H had opened our dictionary. Now I will close it. Other than that, if you want to open your settings, that is here. If you want to open the settings, so we also have a shortcut for that, that is Window plus I. We will use Window plus I to open the settings. So setting had opened, so I will close it now. Now if you want to open run command, then what you will use? Window plus R. Now I will close it with Alt F4. Other than that, if you want to open quick link menu, then you can use Window plus X. So now if you want to open your clipboard bin, so I am using a Window plus E, so your clipboard bin is opened. So these were some useful window shortcut keys that I had told you today, and you can become the shortcut master of this window. So thanks for watching this video. Keep learning, keep going.